The Vivo latest compact flagship, the X200 FE, has already been announced in Taiwan, and the India launch is reportedly set for today, 27 June 2025, and it is also coming to markets like Malaysia and Thailand with an eye-catching design, strong battery life, and Zeiss-powered camera, all packed into a pocket-friendly frame. And the X200 FE is essentially a rebranded version of the vivo X30 Pro Mini and marks Vivo's attempt to capture the premium mid-range segment globally. The phone weighs 186 grams, and under the hood is a large 6500 mAh battery, reportedly 5300 mAh in countries like Hungary and Austria. Supported by 90-watt fast charge, Vivo's use of silicon anode 3.0 and CF-pack battery, and it also comes with IP68 and IP69 rating for water and dust resistance. On the front, the X200 FE sports a 6.31-inch LTPO AMOLED display with 1.5K resolution and up to 4500 nits peak brightness. Zeiss has helped tune the panel for accurate color production. Powering the device is the 4nm MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus chip paired with either 12GB or 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 512GB of UFS 3.1 storage, and it runs FunTouch OS 15 based on Android 15 and supports Bgmi AI features like circle to search and on-screen translation. Photography is handled by a triple rear setup, a 50MP IMX921 main sensor with OIS and a 50MP 3x telephoto lens and an 8MP ultra-wide. A 50MP front camera handles selfies, and Zeiss also contributes to the camera software, including features like classic negative film mode for retro-inspired shots. The X200 FE will be available in 4 colors, and those are Yellow Glow, Black Luxe, Blue Bridge, and Pink Vibe, and comes in 12GB or 256GB and 12GB and 512GB and 16GB and 512GB configuration. Unfortunately, Vivo is yet to reveal the pricing, and in India the phone is expected to cost between 50,000 and 60,000. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.